As a part of the Supreme Court Observer's special series commemorating 75 years of the Supreme Court, we published Salil Tripathi's article about book bans, freedom of speech, and intolerance. So, how has the court dealt with book bans in India? Let's explore. It's 1964. D.H. Lawrence's risk novel Lady Chatterley's Lover has been banned in India. A bookseller named Ranjit Udeshi decides to challenge the ban, but he was unsuccessful. Justice Hidayatullah of the Supreme Court held that the book was likely to deprave and corrupt unsuspecting minds. Unlike the Udeshi case, in other cases, the Supreme Court often sided with writers and their right to freedom of expression. The thing is, banning a book is not too difficult. Legally anyway, if it promotes enmity between groups or hurts religious sentiments, there is section 95 of the Code of Criminal Procedure that grants a state government the power to ban it. If someone finds it particularly obscene or vulgar, there is section 292 of the Indian Penal Code. Limitations on authors' freedom of expression are often justified on the grounds of reasonable restrictions under Article 19(2) of the Constitution. However, in recent years, people haven't been turning to the court for remedies. The practice of burning books, attacking bookshops, and in some cases, attacking the writer have become increasingly common. The examples are endless. History has shown us that governments and political parties have often been thin-skinned about it. The bans involving Aubrey Menon, Ranjit Udeshi, and Salman Rushdie were initiated by Congress governments. The communist government in West Bengal banned the works of Bangladeshi writer Taslima Nasreen. This extends to religious communities as well. In 2010, protests broke out against Tamil writer Perumal Murugan's novel Madhoru Bagan. It talks of a childless couple who planned to impregnate the wife by a stranger during the Ardhanarishwara temple festival. It angered members of the Gondar caste. Copies of the books were burned with calls to arrest Murugan and the publisher. Murugan was forced to apologize to the caste elders and retreated into silence. The writer Perumal Murugan was dead, he announced. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, then Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, ruled in favor of the author. He said, if you do not like a book, throw it away. Let the author be resurrected to what he is best at. Write. A crowdsourced compilation by the Software Freedom Law Center lists 57 banned books. However, it is difficult to confirm this number since so many book bans at the district level go unreported. While the Supreme Court has more often than not been in support of the writers themselves, it is up to the state to assure the safety of the writers and allow them, well, to simply write. Read Salil's essay now on SCObserver.in.